and east of the I-35 corridor. When, from Friday evening through Saturday afternoon. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details: rainfall totals of 2 to 3 inches, with isolated higher amounts between 4 to 5 inches. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Repeating, a flood watch has been issued from 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties: in Texas, Leon, Milam and Robertson. Here is the tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of America. Active systems: the National Hurricane Center is issuing advisories on Tropical Storm Melissa, located over the central Caribbean Sea. Tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 7 days. 6 p.m. observations: at College Station, partly cloudy. Temperature 86, dew point 64,